So hello and welcome back. So in the earlier video we have covered the meaning of the MSMEs. Now in this particular video we are going to cover the remedies to the problem of the MSMEs. Simultaneously, what are the government schemes which are implemented for the MSMEs. Okay, let's see. As far as the problems are concerned, the problems are related with the basically related with the raw material, the problems are related with the marketing, the problems are related with the finance availability. So the remedies to these problems are again by the government and the government schemes. Via the government schemes, basically these problems can be sought out. Okay, let's see what are the remedies. First one over there is the coordination with the different agencies. The different agencies which are engaged with the marketing of these products or which are helping in the marketing of the product. Similarly, the finance agencies, the credit providers and the suppliers, and similarly the companies which deals with the technical assistance, the institutions which provide the technical assistance. So these agencies should coordinate with each other so that in a cohesive manner the work in terms of the welfare or the progress of the MSMEs can be done. Okay, so coordination with the different agencies are required. Similarly, there is a need of the institutional support. The government should support the these institutions, these MSMEs. Okay, similarly there is a need of the management development. The training is required in terms of providing the in terms of managing the affairs of the company, affairs of these MSMEs. So for that purpose there is a DIC, and this DIC work, the DIC was set up by the government, District Industrial Center, and these DICs work in terms of providing the technical assistance. They provide the trainings to the entrepreneurs or prospective entrepreneurs or still existing entrepreneurs in terms of the different equipments used, and similarly they provide the management training also, whereby the whereby the entrepreneurs of these MSMEs can properly understand the management activities, and via that they can properly manage the institution. Similarly, the technical assistance is provided. As I told earlier, the DIC work in both the manner, in terms of providing the technical assistance, in terms of providing the marketing assistance, similarly in terms of the management related activities of these institutions. Okay, so the technical assistance as well as marketing assistance is helpful in selling the product. Technical assistance is helpful in dealing with the different technical aspects related with the machines. Similarly, the institution at the institutional level, at the high level, the raw materials can be allocated. Okay, raw materials can be provided to these institutions. Basically, see, there are certain raw materials which are imported. Okay, or which can be imported by these MSMEs. So the government support is necessary in terms of the import of such raw materials. Okay, so these are basically the remedies in terms of solving the problems. Now we will discuss the certain government measures. These government measures are related with the different government schemes. These government schemes are basically in terms of credit assistance. These government schemes are in terms of marketing assistance. These government schemes are related with the supply of the credit and others. In the same line, there is actually the setup of the different boards by the government, the Khadi board. Okay, similarly the Coir board. Like this, there are the different boards are set up. Similarly, the SIDBI bank was started by the government for providing the credit facility to these MSMEs. Similarly, the CEDO was established for providing the support to the export of the product of these MSMEs. Okay, Khadi and Village Industries Khadi and Village Industries Board was started by the government basically to provide the support to the micro enterprises. Okay, so these are the similarly the seed money schemes. These are the different schemes which are actually the part and parcel in of providing the supports to these MSMEs. Okay, let's see what are the different schemes or the different government measures. Under that, the first one over there you will find the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program and other credit support schemes. Under that, the different basically the schemes are the Credit Guarantee Trust Fund and for the micro and small enterprises, which actually provides the credit assistance. Similarly, the credit linked capital subsidy for the technology upgradation. Okay, these are the different financial assistance or credit support schemes under the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Similarly, there is actually the establishment of the development of Khadi, village and coir industries. Okay, and these work in line with the market promotion and development. Okay, similarly, Spurti is actually one of the main program of the MSMEs board or the MSMEs under the MSMEs ministry, which actually working for the regeneration of the traditional industries which are there in the rural areas. Okay, so the Spurti is one of the scheme over there. Similarly, the market promotion and development schemes and the Coir Vikas Yojana, these are the development of these industries are under the development of the Khadi and village industry. Similarly, the technology upgradation and quality certifications, and under that there is a financial support to the MSMEs in the Z certification schemes. Similarly, there is a scheme for promoting innovation, rural industry and entrepreneurship, Aspire, and the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Program, that is there just to make them competitive with the product of the large scale industries as well as the multinational corporations. Similarly, there are the certain marketing promotion schemes to market their products, and for that purpose their marketing assistance schemes, procurement and the marketing support schemes. Okay, similarly there is for the skill development. Okay, entrepreneurship and skill development, again there are the different programs which are implemented, like the entrepreneurship skill development program. Similarly, assistance to the training institutions, and along with that there are the other certain schemes which are related with the research and development to support the SC/ST in the country which are actually engaged in entrepreneurship. So National SC/ST Hub, Infrastructure Development Program, Spurti is there, as I discussed, scheme of funds for regeneration of traditional industries, and the Aspire is again one of the promotion innovation of the rural industries and entrepreneurship. So these are basically the different schemes which are there, which are basically run and managed for the development of the MSME sector. And these are working, and the output we are finding in terms of the better performance of the MSMEs. But overall, if we will say, these MSMEs are giving the employment to the large number of people in the country. They are engaged not only with the they are engaged not only with the handicraft industries but the other industries. So there are the problems that they are basically having the old technology, and there is a problem related with the finance or credit, or there are the problems which are related with the marketing and procurement of the raw material. But still, this sector is working quite a good way in the development of the country. Okay, In the present last year we had suffered with the COVID situation, or we are still suffering with the COVID situation, and the COVID has the bad effects on the different sectors of the country. So they are basically they are worst hit in that scenario. But still, the performance of these MSMEs are good for the in the development of the nation. Okay, so that's all from my side, and that particular chapter is completed, that is MSMEs, and with that our second unit is also completed. Thank you.